Okay, the buffing technique. It is an amazing technique that can give you airbrushed, flawless, poreless looking pores, but you need to do it with caution. Because if you do it all over, you look mental. So here's the steps. Apply your foundation, your makeup, however, then set it with a loose powder. You have to set the skin first before you do the buffing technique. Otherwise, it just doesn't work. Okay, so next, you need a firm, flat brush. I'm gonna use this one here. This is my number 7 in white gold. This is actually a hooded eye brush. Now, you're also gonna need a pressed powder. Take your brush and your powder and swirl it into the product. Knock off any excess. So, take your pressed powder on an area where there are enlarged pores and start to press that brush with that powder into the skin and use pressure. Keep moving in a back and forward motion or a circular motion until all of those problem areas are hidden. And what you'll be left with is a poreless, flawless effect. But don't do this everywhere. You do not want a full face of this. It doesn't look real. And there you have it. That is the buffing technique. It's really simple, it's quick, it's easy, it doesn't take long, and it doesn't take much effort. And it can give really beautiful results. But just remember, not all over.